Foshan Shunde JNOD Electrical Appliance Company Limited is a professional manufacturer of instant electric water heater. Has domestic market and overseas market. It is a set of manufacture, research, and development, marketing integrated company. The company introduced a series of advanced production and detection facilities since its foundation. The products are exported to North and South America, Europe, and other countries. Owning the OEM exportation, technology, and quality, it becomes one of the professional manufacturers of instant electric water heater in China. JNOD insisted on developing with technology innovation. It possessed of several national famous technicians and had invented multiple product patents. The company has been strictly implement the ISO 9001, and the products passed the CCC, CB, CE, ETL, UL standard certification. Our sales team has extensive experience of overseas markets. We provide sincere and professional services, including OEM, ODM services, technology support, market analysis, usage of design and composition of installation. We provided marketing consultancy services and business solutions for customers from over 40 countries. We helped many customers obtain great sales performance and were highly regarded. Make the world's best products, create the international top brands are the pursuit and dream of JNOD. Let's look forward to the future. We sincerely invite you to cooperate with us and achieve win-win together for a better tomorrow.